All right, the Supreme Court has formed a special investigation team or SIT to probe 186 cases relating to the Anti-Sikh Riots in 1984. This comes after a supervisory panel appointed by the court submitted a report that these 186 cases were closed without a probe. Last year, the top court had formed a body comprising two of its former judges, Justices J.M. Panchal and K.S.P. Radhakrishnan, to look into 293 cases. S. Gurlad Singh Kehlon, a member of the Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Committee, had moved the court demanding that a special probe team be set up. He had argued that neither has the probe been completed by an earlier probe team in any of these cases nor any charge sheet filed.
The Supreme Court had appointed a two-judge panel to go into these cases. The report is submitted by those two judges of the retired judges of Supreme Court. Today, the bench headed by the Chief Justice opened that report, and after examining the report has directed that 186 cases should be re-investigated. The Supreme Court has today ordered that this SIT will consist of one retired judge of the High Court and one retired police officer of the rank of IG or DGP and one serving police officer of the rank of IG.
All right, Vaidya joins us for more on this. Vaidya, the only thing I have to ask at this point in time is, how is this going to be any different from what's happened in the past more than 30 years? Why does this promise to end with a conclusion which will be probably more heartwarming for those who have been pained?
See, when the NDA government came into power in 2014, one of their poll promise was they will just speed up these anti-Sikh riots cases. They appointed a SIT which went into around 293 cases. So now this Supreme Court supervisory panel of two judges of the Supreme Court, their report recommended saying 186 cases were closed without any investigation. That's why they want it should be reprobed or re-investigated. So Supreme Court accepting that, saying that we won't comment on it because tomorrow charge sheet may be filed, their comment may have an effect on the trial court. That's why they said they are constituting a three-member committee headed by a retired High Court judge. Both sides, Mr. Spulka's side as well as the government side, will give the names tomorrow. So tomorrow the names will be selected and three-member panel will be formed. So which will go into it. We don't know how, whether 186 cases they may find some evidence, they may come to a conclusion, charge sheet may be filed. So all this will happen at a later stage, but tomorrow a fresh attempt is being made by the Supreme Court to constitute a fresh SIT by new members headed by a retired High Court judge.